Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the dialer. This is the first option to check the IMEI and serial number, and let's type *06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and a serial number. Let's click on OK, and let me show you the second option. It is using the settings. So let's open the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. Let's tap on it. And here let's choose the status. It should be the second option. And as you can see, here we've got the serial number, and if you want to check the IMEI, simply tap on IMEI information. And as you can see, here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.